Welcome to InfoTrends Office Document Technology Week in Review, the weekly InfoTrends video infocast on news and events from around the world. My name is Randy Dazzo, Director of Solutions and Services, and this week we'll be talking about the news from the week ending September 2nd, 2011. This week's stories include Canon Europe new product announcements, new legal solutions from Konica, Minolta, and Ricoh, Epson's new mobile print solutions, and new IBM Solutions. But first, let's talk about the new product announcements from Canon. Canon Europe announced the launch of a new series of high-speed A4 multifunction devices designed for small workgroups. The Image Runner 1700 series offers high-speed A4 black and white printing as well as cost monitoring and heightened security functionality through Canon's Uniflow input and output management solution. Image Runner 1700 series offers speeds between 30 and 50 pages per minute, producing first copies in approximately 5 seconds or less. The Image Runner 1700 series has a simple, intuitive design with an improved user interface, a large 5.7-inch touchscreen display. Users can also print from and scan to USB memory sticks. The new compact A4 series is also compatible with Canon's eMaintenance and IWMC, IW Management Console, to reduce the cost of ownership. Lessmark International Inc. announced a new Individualized Education Plan IEP solution to help education professionals manage special education. With strict legal requirements and annual compliance audits on IEP documentation, special education professionals and school administrators alike feel the pressure to ensure documentation is complete, accurate, and up-to-date. Lexmark's new solution offers help to those professionals with key features that include captures and processes documentation regardless of source or location, organizes student files by grouping all related documents in a secure electronic file and automatically linking to the student's records, and enhances collaboration and the exchange of information among those on the IEP team while adhering to security, privacy, and retention initiatives by controlling access. Konica Minolta also announced the availability of Dispatcher Pro Phoenix Legal Edition, a comprehensive software solution that streamlines and automates the processing of documents for the legal vertical market. Available on Konica Minolta BizHub Press digital presses, BizHub Pro production print systems, and BizHub MFPs, Dispatcher Pro Phoenix Legal Edition is specifically designed for legal professionals to meet the demands of automated document processing. With Dispatcher Pro Phoenix Legal Edition, scan files can be converted to PDF and PDF-A, as well as searchable PDF and PDF-A files. The application also provides a complete and advanced bait stamping solution, allowing users to create, customize, and format an unlimited number of bait stamps that can be placed anywhere on the page. Redaction, highlights, watermarks, annotation notes, and other information that legal documents require can be defined in one process. In addition, optional processes are available to expand workflow capabilities such as Convert to Office Processes, which accurately converts scan files into fully formatted Microsoft Office formats such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Other features of Dispatcher Pro Phoenix Legal Edition include the Workflow Builder, a graphic tool that allows users to easily create and validate workflows, and unique live flow technology that provides a real-time view of all workflow processes to identify bottlenecks and make certain that inputs, processes, and outputs are set correctly. Ricoh Americas Corporation announced the opening of a new legal imaging and processing center in Charlotte, North Carolina. The new facility, part of the company's legal offering, will provide a full suite of document management services to the legal and corporate business communities in and around the Charlotte metropolitan area. The new imaging and processing facility will offer services focused on servicing the legal community while supporting the production needs of the broader business market. The center will also offer document scanning services and data conversion services, including forensic data acquisition, e-discovery processing, web hosting, and review. Additionally, Ricoh will provide document production and reprographic services, including digital color, duplication of oversized originals, document numbering, along with commercial backfile scanning and data conversion. Also in the news, IBM has introduced a new hybrid cloud solution building on its acquisition of Cast Iron, seeking to help clients reduce the time it takes to connect, manage, and secure public and private clouds. With the new integration and management capabilities, organizations of all sizes will be able to gain greater visibility, control, and automation into their assets and computing environments, regardless of anywhere they reside. As a result, IBM seeks to make it easier to integrate and manage all of an organization's on- and off-premise resources and allow tasks to be completed in less time. IBM also announced new software designed to help organizations utilize social networking through a range of mobile devices called Connections Social Networking Software. Customers can download the software from various app stores, including Android, Apple, and BlackBerry, and gain access to blogs, employee data, status updates, wikis, as well as shared files, videos, and photos. As part of this announcement, IBM also is helping IT administrators simplify the management of corporate and personal data on employee devices. With more and more companies allowing employees to use their own devices for work, the time and management of securing personal data is becoming a burden to IT administrators. A new IBM collaboration software, Partial Wipe, capability for Apple iOS devices allow IT administrators to wipe only the confidential company data from the device while preserving a worker's personal email, photos, videos, and games. Epson also announced that it will be expanding its mobile and cloud printing services for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets last week. The new and expanded services will include Epson Connect, which will be launched in autumn of 2011. Epson's expanding portfolio of cloud and mobile services provides customers with the ability to print documents and photos directly to their Epson printer from a mobile device. And lastly in the news, Apple's board of directors announced that Steve Jobs has resigned as Chief Executive Officer, and the board has named Tim Cook, previously Apple's Chief Operating Officer, as the company's new CEO. Jobs has been elected chairman of the board, and Cook will join the board effective immediately. Jobs submitted his resignation to the board and strongly recommended that the board implement its succession plan and named Tim Cook as the new CEO. As COO, Cook was previously responsible for all the company's worldwide sales and operations, including end-to-end management of Apple's supply chain, sales activity, and service and support in all markets and countries. He headed Apple's Macintosh division and played a key role in the continued development of strategic reseller and supplier relationships. And with that, this is Randy Dazzle with This Week in Review.